Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing quality chocolate and a stable mold so the structure holds. Chop 300-400 G into even pieces, then heat gently over a double boiler. Avoid steam or water contact because even a drop will seize the chocolate. Once the chocolate reaches around 45-48 degrees C, remove from heat and cool to 27-28 degrees C while stirring to form stable crystals. Make sure to work on a clean, dry surface. Tempering now is the single most important step to get glossy, snap-ready pages. Once tempered, pour thin layers into a flat mold or between acetate sheets to create multiple pages. Aim for 2-3 mm thickness so pages flex, but won't crumble. After each sheet sets at 16-18 degrees C, trim edges to match your notebook dimensions and stack them alternating with parchment separators if needed. When ready to bind, warm a small amount of ganache to 32-34 degrees C and apply a thin bead along the spine. Press the stack together and clamp lightly to ensure even adhesion without squeezing out filling. To finish, chill the bound block just long enough to set the spine, then remove clamps and clean the edges with a warm knife swipe so pages separate neatly. Once smooth, apply a thin decorative cover and add details, stamps, cocoa nibs, or edible paint, while the surface is slightly tacky for adhesion. If you see dull bloom or hairline cracks, don't panic. Retemper a small amount and fuse the affected seams, then reapply gentle pressure. This corrects temper and restores gloss without dismantling the whole notebook.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.